Ready? 1, 2.
Kolizura, kolizura, kolizura. Kolizura, 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 kolizura.
So, literally, it means there are two types of bird. The red one is the female or male.
The red one.
The red one seems to be the female, and the white one seems to be, or there are just two categories of
Two
birds.
categories of birds.
Doves, two types of doves. And so the red one is the one that is accusing the white one, is it? Or is the other way?
The white one
is accusing the red one. And that Kolzura, Kolko is dawa, processed dawa. And then Zon is a thief. So it's accusing the red one that is a yeah, he or she steals dawa. And then the other one responds, have you seen me stealing dawa? So that's the going. Kolzura.
Thank you.